Get ready for the third game, sir. We are hopping onto a carousel.
Amir, I have no idea how to play this.
It's simple, sir. The carousel spins and the guards call out how many people should be in a room.
That doesn't sound too hard.
The game is starting.
Amir, they said to pair up in twos.
Okay, Bozo, run with me to a room.
There are 126 people and only 50 rooms.
Sir, hurry up.
Amir, there's someone else in here. There are 3 of us. If they find out, we'll all be out.
Don't worry, sir. I teleported that guy back to the wheel.
Amir, how could you?
Cantina app, bring me roast board for this guy. Help me roast this guy.
Tell him next time I'll let them eliminate your ass, less drama that way.
Next time, I'll let them eliminate you as less drama that way.
Wow, didn't expect that, Amir.
Sir, it was either you or him. You owe me a tip for saving you. I won't let you get eliminated so quickly.
Amir, we did it. The game is over.
Don't celebrate too soon, sir. Now there's a bonus round. Here, take this gadget.
Amir, where did you get this?
You slept through the nighttime scuffle, sir. We were rushing the leader.
Amir, there are too many of them. I'm out of gadgets.
Relax, sir. I am built different. I don't need tools to win. We're at the control room.
Now what?
I'm taking over this game and becoming the new leader of Squid Game. Don't worry. I'll help you win so you can finally give me that overdue tip.
Amir, you're crazy.
Comment part 3 for the next.